Shiba Inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Shiba Inu. What's the current price of the Shiba Inu? What's the price changes on the Shiba Inu? In this video, I'm going to show you. And when will the price of the Shiba Inu pump? When will the price of the Shiba Inu increase? As you know, my friends, in the previous time, now at this time, the last hour, the last one day, today is the second day of the July month, and still the price of the Shiba Inu is falls down, my friends. So when will the price pump? In this video, I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please, my friends, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. So my friends, this time the latest price of the Shiba Inu is 0.000008 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Shiba Inu. And furthermore, you can see here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes okay, the Shiba Inu is negative. Only the last 1 week changes okay, the Shiba Inu is paused down. So this means that the previous June, the June changes okay, the Shiba is positive, and now the latest changes the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes okay, the Shiba Inu is going negative, my friends. But don't worry, my friends, every cryptocurrency is falls down. And you know what, my friends, oh my goodness, from the price chart, the Shiba Inu price is very badly falls down. You can see it completely dumps down okay, in the Shiba Inu, my friends. I'm really shocked to see this kind of change okay, the Shiba Inu negative 2.93% price falls down, and 0.00009 USD dollar is the currently highest price of the Shiba Inu, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. How do you feel today about the Shiba? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.